Every home has a story, and this story was never supposed to be for sale. This story needs a new owner to finish it. The lady who purchased this home wasn't looking for a quick project. She saw something special. She knew there was potential. She could see a place she could make her own. Located at 1126 College Avenue in Canyon City, Colorado, this charming three-bedroom ranch-style home became a labor of love. She didn't just buy it as a fixer-upper. She understood the potential. She put in the work and she started creating a beautiful home. Room by room, she transformed the interior into a warm, comfortable space while preserving the character that made her fall in love with it in the first place. The hard work is done. Plumbing has been updated throughout the home. Electrical improvements have been completed. New flooring has been installed. The garage has a new roof and the exterior has been painted. Inside, only a few finishing touches remain. Outside, she had big plans for the backyard. Then life happened. An incredible out of state opportunity came along, one she simply could not refuse. This could be a rare opportunity for someone else to buy this home below market value and finish it exactly the way they want it done. Today, the bathrooms are functional, but imagine the possibilities. Picture a bright, modern space with updated fixtures, beautiful finishes, and a design that reflects your own style. She had a vision for the backyard too. Imagine outdoor gatherings, summer evenings under the lights, a place for family, friends, and memories. The foundation is here, the opportunity is here. All that is missing is someone to bring that vision to life. At this point, most people ask the same question. How do I buy a home like this and get the money and the contractor to finish it? That's where our expertise and financing comes in. With an FHA, VA, or conventional renovation loan through Assurance Financial, you can finance the purchase price of the home and the cost of improvements in one mortgage loan. Your favorite contractor does all the work. One loan, one closing, one monthly payment. Purchase the home, complete the renovations, and create a home designed exactly the way you want it. This home is priced below market value because the seller understands that the next buyer will want to complete the remaining improvements. That creates a rare opportunity. Buy below market, renovate your way, and build equity from day one. It is unfortunate that the current owner cannot finish this dream, but you can, and we are here to help. If you've been searching for a home with character, opportunity, and the ability to create value for yourself, this may be exactly what you've been waiting for. Reach out to Gail Harp with Reeves Real Estate to schedule your private showing. And if you'd like to learn how renovation financing can help make this opportunity possible, contact me. I'm Jim Nunn. I'm a renovation and construction lending specialist with Assurance Financial. Don't just buy a house, create your home and build your future. We look forward to helping you bring your vision to life.